how to select delivery zone in Skip the Dishes. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can select delivery zone in Skip the Dishes. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. To select the delivery zone in Skip the Dishes app, launch the Skip the Dishes app and you will see this type of interface. By default, you might have had a certain address that is currently saved as a default address, or like a delivery address or even a pickup address. The address that you selected can be seen at the very top of the delivery app, which is the Skip the Dishes app right here. So to change it, tap on the drop down menu once. Here you can see it says select your location. This is our current location. Now you can either edit this current location by tapping the edit icon here and editing it, but you can choose to add a new address by tapping on adding new address, then typing in a new delivery zone that you wish to change it to. And after you've done that, you can just come back, select that new delivery address, tap the close option, and the new address will be selected over there. This is how you can select delivery zone and Skip the Dishes. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.